Say hi, puppy. Having fun? So we're going on a walk. Sammy and I are taking a walk. A nice little stroll. Is that you? Having fun? You did poop all over me. Ready? Ready? Say we're going on a stroll. We're taking a nice little walk. You ready? You ready, Sam? You ready? Ooh. Ooh. What is that? What is that, Sam? Is that the doggy? Say we bought a new harness for her to try. She didn't like it, so we're back with the old one. She lets me put this one. Oh, that's not Little. That's another dog. Little's at home. You saying hi? Is that a dog? Hello. Hi, doggy. Is that Little? Little's at home. Huh? Yeah. She's a cusser. She likes to cuss. Ooh. I know the dog's at home now. We're going to go home and see your doggies. Ooh. That's a car. You say car? Car. Who is it? Sammy's on a walk. Let's see if we can get her to open her wings. Ooh! Yay! Feel the wind under your wings. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah. I know, right? I got her a new harness. She would not let me put it on her. I put this one right up to her. She put her head right in it.
You hear her trying to talk?
Yeah, oh yeah. She called the dog up the street my dog's name. I says, no, that's not your dog. Want to say hi to the kids? Want to say hi?
Hi.
Say hi, Sam.
Hi.
Can you say hi?
Hello. Does he talk?
Yeah.
Like for real talk?
If you wave like this, she might wave at you. Can you wave hi? Wave, Sam. Wave.
Sam.
Wave, Sam.
Can I show her?
You could try. I'll hold her. Pet right on her back. Good girl.
Girl.
Okay. Well, hello. You like that? Yeah? Say pretty bird.
I think she's cold.
No, she's mad at me because I tried to put a new harness on her.
Oh.
She doesn't like new things.
She's so pretty. Can I go meet up with that?
Can you say something? She was just telling the dog up the street. No, why not?
Can I go meet up with that?
Why?
Can I go meet
They
up?
want to hear you talk. Don't you size them up. Oh, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Go ahead. You're doing the mouth. You got to just put it out there. Don't be shy.
Hi.
What do you mean what? You got to say hi.
Hi, birdie.
Say hi.
Hi.
Wave. Wave hi.
Hi.
Wave. There you go. Go ahead.
Hi.
Wave.
No.
No. See, it's my first time since winter, so.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You'll hear. We come out quite a bit in the summer, so.
Hi, birdie. Hi.
You're not going to speak? Her name is Sammy.
Sammy.
Hi,
Sammy.
Hi, Sammy.
He said hi. If you ever hear something screaming. Oh, she said hello. Good girl. If you ever hear something screaming, it's her. I tell all the neighbors, you guys are new, so all the neighbors know her. I don't want to be like that guy on TV or TikTok where it's like somebody calls the cops because somebody's screaming help, or she does that help thing. I think it's a bird thing. She's 8.
Okay.
Sammy, you want to say bye-bye? What? They want you to talk to them.
Bye-bye.
I always see you talk. Wait, bye-bye.
Bye.
Wait, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You got a tight grip. You're not going to, are you? You'll get used to them. They're our new neighbors. You'll see them when we go on our walks.
Aw, so cute. Thank you.
You're welcome. What do you mean what? Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. What? Oh, now that we're walking away, you're going to start talking? Huh? Thank you for letting the little girl pet you. That was really nice of you. It was. That was really nice of you. Did you just poop on me again? Sam? Really, Sam? She's pooped on me twice now. It's almost as if she's aiming for me. Open your wings. Spread them. Woo! Say hi, everybody. Say we're going on a walk. We're going. Look at the cats. She's not up for you guys. Not for you. You touch my bird. I got a couple dogs that would love you. You just stay in your lane. You stay in your lane. You stay in your lane. This is a big bird. She'll bite you. Sorry, gotta teach the cats in the neighborhood. My dogs are watching. Like, you better not touch my bird. Huh? Let's see him. Are you walking? You want to get down and walk? Do you want to walk? Do you want to walk? Yeah? You want me to let you down to walk? Oh, TT doesn't live in that house anymore. We can't go to that banister. I know you love that banister. But we can't go there no more. TT lives in the other house. This is as far as we're going to go up right here because there's a lot of crazy dogs up the street. We're not going up that way. I'll let you go walk on the wall. You want to walk on the wall? I don't feel comfortable putting you in the grass with all these cats right here, so we'll put you on the wall. There you go. Where you going? Let me flip you guys around. Where you going? Gotta keep an eye out for the kitties. What are you doing? Thank you, Roses. Good morning. Have a wonderful day to you, too. Thank you. Sammy, they said they love you. What do you say about that? I really wish you would have let me put that new harness on. It would be so much easier. It's just too thick. I think what Mommy's going to do is I'm going to make you a harness myself. See the thickness of these right here? The new harness that I got her, this is really pretty thin, you know? The new one I got her is for an extra small dog, but the material's like that thick and it scares her. But it has a clamp that can go around one wing and around the other, because this is easy getting on, but very hard to get off. She tries to bite me when I take it off of her. It's not a very happy, friendly thing to take it off of her. But we're going to try doing these walks once a day so you guys can join in and watch us walk. I think we might go for a little bit more of a stroll. I don't have my my pew on me right now, or a dog or anything, so I don't feel comfortable leaving off my street because I don't want somebody to try to take my bird. I wouldn't be a happy camper. Sam, want to come for a walk? Come on. Come on, Sam. Walk this way. Show them how you walk. Do your little waddle. Come on, Sam. Come on. Sammy, come. She doesn't have her wings clipped, so that's why we wear a harness on her, because I don't want her to have her wings clipped. But I am we're putting a fence along the side right here, and I'm going to get a net that goes from the top of the fence to the top of the house, and then it'll come around. Well, that ain't going to work because of the wires, so we might have to go to the top of this porch right here and down, and then come around to the front right here, and we're going to have it to where my bird can come in the very front yard. So let's switch this back around. I'm going to pick her up. Step up. Step up. Are you going on my shoulder? You want to walk like that? Are you cold? Are your feet cold? You cold? Have a kiss? I love you. I love you. You ready to go inside? Are you cold? Mommy's got to make you some clothes. I got to get the sewing machine out and so I can make you something. It'll keep you warmer on days like this. You know? What do you think? Want to go for a longer walk? It's only 11:42. We have time. You want to? You don't know? Now you know you're going to poop down my back if you poop right there. I just put this shirt on. You okay with that? I'm okay with it. You want to go for a walk up the street? You want to go for a longer walk? You think we should get one of the dogs and take them with us? Want to take Little for a walk with us? What the hell is this? I don't know what that is. That's really weird looking, you guys. Look at this. It's almost like a raccoon or something. Something that part of a raccoon. I don't know. Sam, you want to get Little Pop and we go for a walk with Little Pop? That way we can go for a longer walk? What do you think? You want to get Little? Yeah? I'll go get Little. No? Why not? I'm going to go get Little. And we'll take a little bit of a walk. Want to go for a little walk? You just stay on my shoulder. We're going to go get Little Pop. Move, Belle. Move, Pop. Stay on my shoulder. Come on. Okay, let's set this up so I can grab this. Actually, shut up, Soph. Stay there, Sam. Stop, Pop, stop. Come here, Pop, sit down. Sit. Wait. Sophie, you just stay down. What are we're connected to something here. Hold on. I know. Let me get the longer one so he's not so close to us. Go, Pop. Ooh, Belle, be careful. Go, Pop. Don't back into your mother. Stay, Bella. Stay, Bella. We'll be back. All right, guys, hold on. Let me hook him up. Just to show you guys how big this dog is, he's going for a walk with us. so that I can walk my bird. Because I don't feel comfortable walking my bird without a pew pew, mace, or my dog. So we're going to go with A, the dog. We're going to go with the dog. Pop, don't pull me yet. Wait. Oop, watch your head. Come on. Wait. You're hooked around. Okay. Hook Sammy around my fingers. Come on, Pop. There we go. We're going for a stroll. Okay. Now I feel better. Now we can go around the block, Sam. La 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 la. Are you happy now? Are you happy because you have your little... Yeah, la 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Can you guys tell the difference of her now? She has her dog, so now she's happy. You leave that cat alone. Leave the cat alone. You keep Pop in line, please. La 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 la. La 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 la. We're on a little stroll. Got my bird and my dog. You happy? Because you got your dog now? Hi. These two have been raised together. He's 7 and she's 8. We got her when she was 1.5 years old. So we've had her 6.5. Well, she'll be 9 this year. So we've had her 7 years then, right? I think that makes it 7 years. And we've had him since he was born. He was born here. But Sammy Jo loves her dog. Leave it. Good boy, leave it. Pop. Leave it. Thank you. Leave it. Thank you. Hi, Donald. Good. The bird wanted to go for a stroll, and I don't feel comfortable going without the dog. Too many crazies in his neighbors. Well, don't pull yourself, and you won't choke it. Tell him, Sam. Pop, don't pull and you won't choke, Bubba. Stay with Mama. Thank you. Did you see the bird?
Yeah, I like the bird.
Thank you. Thank you. Her name's Sammy, and this is Little.
Oh, that's big.
Right. You having fun, Sam? I know. The only thing I can say is that you're having a great time. Pop, don't you do it. I know there's a lot of dogs in this neighborhood. That's why we stay in the street. We needed this. Oh, I could do those to my dead men. That's a really good idea. See if there's anybody coming. I'm gonna use the camera. Stay here. Got my dog and my bird. You having fun, Sam? Ooh, got some wind. Hello. Hello. Popskis won't let nobody take you from me. Mommy wouldn't either. But I know he won't. What? You're falling a little bit off my shoulder. You want to come up closer? Oh, shoot. Somebody's walking the dog where I'm walking. That's a big one, too. Hello. It's a Burmese mountain dog. We're going to have to cross the street, Pop. We're going to have to cross the street, Pop. Come. Hey, baby. I like that side of the street better because this side there's always people. I don't mind the people. I just don't want them asking me to pet my dog or my bird, or I'm kind of just out here to enjoy a walk, you know? On a nice day. Pretty girl. He's enjoying the walk too. Maybe we'll cross back over. Oh, they got a thrift store over here now, huh? Stop. Sit. Good boy. Stay. Good boy. Come. You're here. Let's cross. Come.
Are usually really nice, but you also have to ask the lady.
He's a sweetheart.
I know. Most dogs, they just want to see it, the puppy.
Pop, sit. Stay. Just don't walk up on him. I have the bird, so I can't control him all the way, so just stay there, okay? This is little Pop. Relax. Relax. All the way.
Nervous, so.
Relax. Relax.
I like your dog.
Thank you. Go ahead. You can pet his belly now.
Some dogs get nervous when other people walk up on them.
I appreciate you doing that. Good job, buddy.
Ask permission before doing anything.
That was really smart. Come.
Especially bigger dogs.
Sit. Off. Sit.
Beautiful dog, though.
Thank you. Good boy.
Bye. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good boy, Pop.
Nice to meet you here.
Nice to meet you, too. How are you?
Come on. Hi. Stay.
Your dog?
Huh?
You pet your dog or no?
Pop. Relax. Nope. Relax. Down.
What is he?
Cane Corso. Good boy. Go ahead.
Oh, okay. I didn't know he could lay down.
Friendly.
I don't let him get petted unless he lays down.
Oh, I see.
That way he's total relaxed. Good boy.
soft.
Stay. Thank you.
I didn't realize.
Good boy. Stay. It's okay, Mommy's right here. He's nervous of the bag.
Oh, okay.
It's okay, Pop. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna stand up now.
Okay.
Come. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Paw. Paw. Give me paw. Thank you. She can be kind of iffy. He's the friendly one. You can try, but he might be protective over her. That's actually his bird.
You know how your dog reacts when people get in her face?
If we meet each other again, I'll put the dog somewhere so you can pet him. Her name's Sammy, though.
Sammy?
This is Sammy. This is Little Pop, and this is Sammy Joe. Say, I'm Little Pop. I know, okay. We're about to go.
Thank you for
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you, guys. You too. Good boy. There's a lot of people walking today, huh? Let's go back this way. We'll go back this way. Okay. We're having fun. Pop got a whole bunch of pets. Yes, he did, huh, buddy? You're a good boy. And he did what he was supposed to. He laid on his side. Look at this place, you guys. It's a comic book store. If anybody's in Kenmore, Ohio, come here and look at this comic book store. It's called Kenmore Comics. It's a really nice place. It's been here for years, since I was a little girl. I think these are like really cool, how they have these metal gates up. You having fun, Sam? You having fun? Hello. We're all out here enjoying the day. The beautiful day. What's that song? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Hi.
Your bird's pretty.
Thank you. You say thank you, Sam? Wait, let's look. Okay, walk. Good boy. Sam, you gotta help us look for calling birds. Well, I'm almost home. Are you excited to get home? He's enjoying himself. I'll be honest with you, I am too. It is really nice out here. I look crazy. I got turquoise shorts on, a red tank top, poop on my foot from the bird, huh, Sam? And we're just walking. Who cares? I'm in my kennel clothes, but my bird wanted to go for a walk. She wanted to see the outside for a little bit because it's been a really nice week. It's kind of breezy today, but I think she's enjoying it. I know he is. He's got his tongue out his side of his mouth, like, yeah, this is nice out here. I ain't gonna lie, I need the exercise too. This was a nice day. I got a lot to do this afternoon, so I figured I better do it early. But next time, thank you. Next time I'm gonna wear some different shoes. These are not good walking shoes. They keep trying to slide off my feet. And they're my house ones. So now I gotta wash them. Because I can't wear them. No, we're not peeing in spots like that, buddy. You can mark your territory when we get home. We're back in the street now. Because it's 12 o'clock on a Saturday. You could hear the alarm going off in Barberton. They have a... every Saturday, I think it's the first Saturday of the month, they set off the tornado alarm to test it. Make sure it's working properly. Hi. People are so much more friendly when you have animals with you. Yeah, I get a lot of looks because I have a bird and a dog, but who cares? They're my babies. What? Say hi. Say hi, Sam. We're almost home. Gonna enjoy it. Oh, Jerry's out walking his dogs. I'm glad he's way in front of me. He's got 2 big Great Danes with him. They would totally pull him down coming at this dog. My doggy. I'm having a good time, guys. Thanks for everybody that joined with us. We're out here walking the streets, getting a little exercise. I think this year I'm going to teach Sammy how to free fly. There's too many wires in my neighborhood, so we're going to have to go to like a park or something. No. Pop, leave it. That's how you have a good trained dog. Big dog comes running at us. He's probably 100 pounds bigger than the other dog, and he listens. Hi. Yeah. Oh, well, I just got something in my eyeball. Woo, yeah. You fluffing because of the wind? Yeah. I did. I just got something in my left eye. Ooh. It's burning. But I ain't about to rub it. Yeah, I'm putting my walking shoes on next time. I'm not doing this again. Who am I kidding? I'll probably do it the same way again. It's quick and easy. Just slip them on. But if we're going to go on a different walk, like a longer one, we're going to have some different shoes. Totally. What? What, Pop? What? What? They're all on here for you. They're here to see you. I think I just might have got a Charlie horse in my leg. Or a start of one. Oh, my dogs are barking. There's my van I just got. I'm so excited about it. I didn't get it for me. I got it for my dogs. Oh my God. Cat, what are you doing? Look at this, you guys. This is how crazy these cats are in my neighborhood. Do you see this cat? It's sitting on my steps. Kitty! Kitty, you gotta run, Kitty. You need to run. Run, cat, run. Hold on, guys, I'm coming. Kitty, go, shoo. Shoo, Kitty. Shoo. Shoo. Why are you sitting on my steps? No, you gotta go. Shoo. He will bite you. I don't want him to hurt you. You gotta go, Kitty. God, you're gorgeous. Look at your eyes. Woo, I don't know if you're here to see me, the bird, or the dog, but none of us want you right now. Sam, tell him to go. See the cat right there? Tell him to shoo. Shoo, kitty. Say, go, kitty cat. Go, kitty cat. It's not moving. Not at all. Oh, this is not good. Pop, please don't hurt this cat. We're just going to go a little bit closer. God, you're gorgeous. Yes, run, please. I've never seen you before. Where did you come from? This is a neighborhood where people, for some reason, like to drop their cats off. And dang, that cat is beautiful. Honey, you gotta go. I don't know. You must like dogs or something, but he don't. He doesn't like cats. Go on, baby. Go on. No, don't go there. Okay. We'll figure this out. You just stay there. Keep licking yourself. You just stay right there. Pop, don't you bother that cat. Don't you bother that cat. Come on. Go pee on the flower bed real quick. Don't bother that cat, Pop. Little Pop. Thank you. Respect. Thank you. Come on. House. That cat's not hurting you. We don't hurt other animals. It's not his fault that he's outside. You have a beautiful home and he lives outside. Mommy feels bad. If you're still here when I come back, kitty, I'll get you some food. Yes, I keep cat food in my house. I don't own a cat, but I keep cat food. I think somebody stole my little bowl I had out here. Let me get this off of you. Pop, right here's some water. Get a drink. Put this here for right now. Sammy and I are about to go check and see if my bowl's still out here. You stay right there, Pop. Stay, Pop. Stay. Stay, Pop. Back up. Oh, okay, it's still there. Good, the cat's not, but the bowl is. Oh, yeah, the cat is. It's hiding in the bushes. As long as it stays in the bushes, we're good. Back up, Pop. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Let's go get you some water. Wait, let your mom come through first, because I don't want you to run her over. Don't play with her like that. Go, Pop. Go get some water. Pop, drink. Go get a drink. Now these shoes have to stay on the porch. Because I'm not having those shoes in my house now that I walked all around everywhere. Okay, we're home now. And checking on my dogs. You want to go out here for a little bit, Sam? Go get some water, Pop. Be right back. Let you guys see the birds or the puppies for a minute. Go out here and see the puppies. Hello. Hi, Kalu. These guys are outside for a little bit. Gotta clean their kennels. See, we put up the red things and the umbrellas. And I put the umbrellas over there too. Hi, Gaga. There's the puppies. This one's available. What do you think, Sam? Hi, Kalui. What do you think? Did you have fun? Did you have fun? Yeah? Did you have fun? Oh, it's starting to rain. Okay. We got to get you in your room because I got to get the dogs in. And you can't be on my shoulder while I bring them in. Alright, guys. It was really nice letting you guys see us walk and visit the bird and the dogs. We'll come back on here later on. But I got to put her up so I can go get my dogs in because it's starting to rain. And I don't want puppies and dogs to be wet. So, thanks for watching. See you soon.